Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to block people on Roblox. So if you're looking to block someone or any one of your connections, it's super easy. You can go ahead and you will find your connections here at the top once you go ahead and sign in. And if you have a whole lot more, you can simply click and view all to see all of your connections, right? Now, alternatively, if you know the person and you know their name exactly, you can go ahead. So let's say I want to block Lala or whatever, I can simply type in Lala, and you will see when I go ahead and look in the list below, you will see it says in people, right? So you want to search for those people, and if you know their name or their specific username, you could also type that in. You can go ahead and you can view that person profile. Let's say this is the person. You can go ahead and you can click the three dots on the upper right, and here you'll find block user, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, then click on block, and you will see. So that's pretty much how you can go ahead and block a user on Roblox.